y'all. This Feel Good. We Feel Good Investing, as you see. I want to talk to y'all about a company that I came across today, ticker symbol RWLK. And you looking at the Finviz site right now. This company been consolidating ever since June of 2020. And like a couple of days ago, or like a week ago, it kind of broke that resistance line right here. I found out about this company because I like to track unusual volume, and today they had unusual volume from institutions. Made this stock go up 47% on institutional transactions, as you see right here. Earnings per share is expected to be 81% this year, and over the past week it performed 5%, past month 35, past quarter 58. So this is a company that should do good in the near future. I bought shares of this company already. I got in my portfolio. I don't plan on selling. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to do the same. I'm just giving you feedback on what I'm doing in my life. So you got to make your own trades with your own intuition, of course. So RWLK, that's the name of the company. Let's go to their website real quick. RWLK, they create robotic limbs for people that got amputated limbs, that got spinal injuries, or just paralyzed. So when you know, car accidents, freak accidents, they happen every day, all day, and a lot of people are less fortunate to recover fully from those accidents. So sometimes they need to learn how to walk again, and that's where RWLK come in. That they create devices and equipment to help you or assist you to walk, run, and get back to your normal way of living. So I saw on Benzinga Pro today that it really wasn't no major news besides the institutional transaction that I just showed you. Nothing from the company per se was exposed today or was reported today, but on January 8th of this year, it says that the robot revolution will spark a 15 times rally this microcap tech stock. So basically, robots are the future. They go to Yahoo Finance. The robot revolution is starting. When I saw that, I always want to be in a good position before something takes off, and with this company being at $2.66 right now, I'm gonna add more to my position. I'm gonna see if it's gonna give me a healthy pullback opportunity for me to get in. But yeah, robots will inevitably be able to replicate and automate a widespread number of human tasks. They will do those tasks more efficiently than humans. Robots don't get tired. With greater accuracy, robots remove human error, and at a lower cost. Robots don't need salaries. It should be no surprise then that the World Economic Forum predicts that 52% of the current job tasks will be performed by robots. So I'm just looking at the bigger picture here. I'm not gonna go too deep into this article on Yahoo, but RWLK Robotics, I can see this company making equipment for people that's not even injured or don't even need to learn how to walk again. This company can possibly make equipment for people who work at warehouses or do a lot of standing and walking on a day-to-day basis. Like I saw people at Amazon, like just online, how they got these electronic type devices attached to them, so they can take a seat whenever they want to without like an actual chair. I think this company would probably angle themselves to make devices for all people, not just for the less fortunate injury people, amputees or whatnot. So I just wanted to bring this on your radar. It's not gonna be a long video about this. It's just, this is a cool company. I think this is like the only company that, to my knowledge, that's available, that's on the NASDAQ. I'm finna check out what this is, because I guess it's a similar company, but it look like a OTC stock right there. But other than that, Remember, when you invest and feel good while you're doing so. Let me know what you think about this stock in the comments below. And I'll see y'all later. Holla.